How to change reservation in Airbnb guest view. Need to adjust your Airbnb booking? Here's how to change your reservation step by step as a guest. So first, log into Airbnb and then from here, click on the sidebar and then select trips. So in here, you'd be able to find the reservations you have. So choose the reservation you want to change and then tap change reservation. You can just check in and check out dates, number of guests, or length of stay. Third, review price difference. Airbnb shows the updated cost. If new dates are more expensive, you need to approve the new total. Send the request and your host must approve before the reservation updates. And lastly, you'll get a notification once the host responds. If approved, your booking updates automatically. Guests can request changes easily, but final approval always comes from the host. And that's how to change an Airbnb reservation as a guest.